What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2011 Lincoln MKX using the Bluetooth. So we'll need the vehicle either on or running. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. What we want to do is go into your phone's settings, go into your Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, in the upper left-hand corner of any screen, there's going to be an icon here that says phone or connect to phone. Go ahead and click on that. Then from this screen, we'll click add device.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
And as you just heard the voice over there saying, we're looking for it to pop up as sync. So we see it pop up there. Go ahead and click on that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
And as the voice said, we want this pin, make sure that this pin number here matches the pin number on our center screen. And it does. So on our phone, click pair. And then on the center screen, click yes.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So now we're connected. As you can see here, this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. And you can also set, if you want to set the phone you just connected as a favorite.